Best Portable Table Saw Under 500 and Best Portable Table Saw for Woodworking 2017. Bosch 4100-09 10-inch Worksite Table Saw. Key features. Motor generates 3,650 RPM. 10 inches carbide-tipped blade. 25 inches maximum left and right rip capacity. SquareLock rip fence glides on a rail. Rugged, reduced weight gravity rice wheeled stand. 21.5 inches by 29 inches tabletop. Smart guard system and anti-kickback control. Dewalt DW7491 RS 10-inch Jobsite Table Saw. Key features. 15-amp motor. Rack and pinion telescoping fence system. Patented material support for narrow rib cuts. Onboard storage system. Rolling stand design. 2.5 inches dust collection port. 3 1/8 inch depth of cut at 90 and 2 1/4 inch at 45. 21 7/8 inch by 26 3/8 inch table. Dewalt DW7480 10-inch compact Jobsite Table Saw. Key features. Rack and pinion telescoping fence. Site Pro modular guarding system. 15-amp 4800 revolutions per minute motor. Metal roll cage base. Blade can be adjusted 0 to 45 degrees. Weighing only 48 pounds. Adjustable rear feet design. Dust port allows for 2 1/2 inch vacuum hookup. 24T carbide blade enhances cut quality. Bosch GTS 1031 10-inch portable Jobsite Table Saw. Key features. 4.0 HP 5000 RPM long-lasting motor. Ergonomic one-handed carry handle. Stacks on side. Protective under tool storage. Durable all-steel base design. SquareLock rip fence. 18 inches rip capacity. Smart guard modular blade guard system. Tool-free dust chute clear out. Delta Power Tools 36-6020 10-inch portable table saw. Key features. 120V 15-amp 60Hz motor. Slide-out rear support extension. 2 1/2 inch dust port. Large on-off switch. Large bevel scale. Cord wrap for storage. Cast aluminum miter gauge. Onboard storage. Easy blade height and bevel adjustment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.